In this video, I will be showing you how to sign into YouTube step by step using your web browser. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser tab and click on the address bar at the top. I type in YouTube and select the Google search result to find the official website. Once the search results load, I click on the main YouTube link to open the homepage. Now that the YouTube homepage has loaded, I move my cursor over to the left side menu panel and click on the Sign In button. This redirects me to the Google login page. From the list of accounts shown on screen, I select my account name. Next, I click on the password field and type in my password. After entering my password, I press enter to complete the sign-in process. The browser brings me back to the YouTube homepage, where I am now fully signed in and able to access my personalized feed, subscriptions, and saved content. From here, I can freely browse through recommended videos, view shorts, scroll down to explore different categories, or select any video to start watching right away. That is all it takes to easily log in and enjoy YouTube. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.